should I throw away today? All these empty boxes. Woo! Yay! All gone. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. I'm here with you again today with a hopefully quick video. I really want to inspire you guys to do a little bit more of this in this video. And what is this? It is decluttering. I'm going to go through a list of 15 items that you can declutter in your home. All right, are you ready? Number 1, old makeup. I mean, this is pretty obvious. I mean, we all hoard, all types of makeup, whether because, the packaging is nice, or the container is really cute. But if they are expired, if, you're never using it anymore, then toss it. Number 2, suitcases. So I think we're all a little bit guilty of this. We have a bunch of suitcases, lying around in our basement or in the storage. And obviously suitcases are so big, they take up so much space. Toss them. Boxes. And what kind of boxes? I'm talking about cardboard boxes. I'm talking about boxes that your new products came in. Maybe you just bought a new phone, you just bought a new gadget, you're keeping the box. There is no use for that box anymore. Just toss the box. Number 4, expired medication. So I actually go through my medication. I have a little box, with all the medication in it, and I go through them pretty frequently. Make sure you dispose of it properly. I had to bring it to my pharmacy to get it disposed of, but some, I don't know, wherever you're living, there may be a different procedure for it. So just kind of check that out and just dispose of your medication properly. Number 5. Okay, this is really bad. Plastic bags. I will show you what I have with my plastic bags. It is ridiculous. There's way too much here. I do not need all these plastic bags. What am I gonna do with them? Okay, next one on the list, toys. Yes, for those of you that have kids, I am sure you have a mountain of toys in your living room, a mountain of toys in your basement. So take a look through your toy collection. Chances are most people have too many toys than they actually need. So that's another great thing to declutter or take a look at and see what can be done with the mountain. Next one, wires and cords. So we are so guilty of this. We always keep that one cord. Oh, I'm gonna keep this just in case I need it for another device. I'm gonna put it in this box. And then before you know it, you have a box full of wires and cords that you have never ever touched. Get rid of them. You don't need it. So for sure, go through your wires and cords. Next one up, papers. This can include a variety of things. It can include, old bills, receipts, even papers from school, manuals. Think of, last time you actually pulled out a manual to look at it. Toss those, take out menus. Old containers, or empty bottles. So that's the next one. For sure, I think we are guilty of that, especially right now when we're getting all those takeout containers. So toss some of it, recycle them, give them to people who may need it, and just get rid of those takeout containers. Next one, actually in line with the makeup that I mentioned earlier, is expired cream products. So skincare products. So again, same thing with makeup. It could be hiding in the back of your drawer. Take a peek at the expiry date. Chances are if it's expired for a few months and actually smells funky, then you should probably get rid of it. Plastic utensils and condiments. I think this is actually building up quite a lot because of all the takeout that we're getting nowadays. Get rid of it. Actually, even better, when you get the takeout, tell them that you don't need the utensils, you don't need the condiments, and you don't even have to bother with it. Books and magazines. So this could be different for some people. I know some people really like to collect their books and they have their own the bookshelf and everything. That's fine. But if there are books there that you are not reading and you are not collecting, then donate them to your local library. Next one, old towels. Take a look in your linen closet. There could be towels there that are really old and you should really get rid of. Next thing, obviously, is a really huge thing, clothes. Yes, I will admit it, I have a ton of clothes. I have a ton of clothes that I probably haven't worn. And think of it this way, if you get rid of the old clothes, you have room for new clothes, right? And next one, travel toiletries. So I don't know, I think a lot of people have, those little, bottles of cream, little tubes of toothpaste. So take a look at that. It's something that I think we might overlook. So check that out, travel toiletries. Okay, and I think that was the 15 items to declutter. And actually, as I was talking just now, I have one more bonus one for you guys. Seasonal items. Chances are a lot of those things are clutter, so to avoid it in the first place, I usually don't buy seasonal items unless you actually reuse those items year after year, same items year after year, then yeah, that's a different story. But if you find that you buy one thing and you use it one time and you never touch it again, it's probably a good idea to get rid of it. So be on the lookout for those items in your home. And yeah, we're good to go. I hope it was inspiring. Maybe you will go out now and look around your home for these items to declutter. So yeah, I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for dropping by today. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much. Bye!